Now we have to assemble all this. So we have some pieces of the case, circuits, the fan with the heat sink, a bunch of screws, and those plastic insulators. So who knows how to mount this? So I have a couple of pictures, but unfortunately I realized that they are not enough for me now to understand how it was mounted. So now I have this puzzle to solve. Okay, let's try to do something. So, okay, this was here, and then the box was something like this. Like this. Okay. So, and this was in the middle. Okay, so now I remember that this thing was like this. We have this hole. Okay, this for sure is correct. And I remember that I removed this last. So this was like this. And I don't remember this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this goes like this. Yes, because you see this? So it should match this shape. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay, but this has also to be placed. Okay, so now I remember that I put this sliding inside this part. So let's try. Okay. Oh, there is a hole here and another one. So those two holes have to match those two threads. So this for sure goes like this. Not very easy. Okay, here it goes. This is hitting the wall of this because I bend it a little bit in order to put the bolt. So now I have to bend it backwards again, as it was. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, it moves. Okay. So the first piece of the puzzle is a little bit hard, but it goes the right way. Okay, so now this thing has to be aligned with this. So I have to push a little bit more. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, like this. So at this point I believe I can put the screws. Which one? Okay, I remember I had two little screws. One that was this one, and the other one was this other one. Screwdriver. Okay, this one is very well aligned and this one is not very well aligned, so I do this. I try to adjust the position of the thread by moving it a little bit with the tips of the tweezers. Then let's use the tweezers. Okay, here it is. Good. Well done. Okay, let's do also for the other one. I put this one here. Okay. Okay, good. Then, how can this go? I mean, this can go like this. Okay, you see, it's getting its original shape. Okay. Okay. But then there are those things. These are insulators. So let's see. Like this. Now probably this notch has to go with this notch. So I guess it can be like this. Okay, let's try. So this goes here. Yes, okay, and it leaves those regions exposed because then there would be this moduli like this. Okay, this goes later. Then there was another thing. There were these two layers, one here and the other one there. But how? Which one goes on the top and which one goes on the bottom? Let's see what happens. Okay, this was very smooth. Let's see this one. This one has a problem, it doesn't go. Okay, it goes, but not completely. Yes, it goes. Okay, no, but yes, kind of. Let's try to flip it. Okay, again. Okay, why it doesn't go? Okay, now it's in, it's out a little bit, in again. So let's hold it like this. Here we are. Oops, the wire. Okay. Okay, it looks fine. Now this guy, the heatsink. How was it? Who remembers this? Okay, this is the connector that goes with this. I see. Those fins has to go inside those two things here. So I try to slide it like this. No, it doesn't go. It doesn't go because this thing is impeding the sliding. So it means that it has to go the other way around. Let's try this way. Okay. Kind of. Ah, I see. Now there is this. It looks impossible, but probably the sequence is wrong. So I have to undo the screws. Okay, then slide this back, then I don't have to forget this, the notch, and then I put this, no, more, okay, I have to do everything from the beginning. With the circuit and the heatsink together, like this. Okay, this goes here. Okay, let's see now. It was difficult to pull it out, and it's even more difficult to put it in, as usual. All these things difficult. Okay. Let's try like this. Yes, yes, it goes. Okay, okay, okay. Now it's better. So, in the factory, they know how to do this. The problem is that when you are a technician, you don't know all these things, because who knows who manufactured this maybe 20 years ago. The handbook is missing, so this is reverse engineering, which is quite interesting. So everybody knows how to do things when you have the handbook. Okay, now I feel better. Let's put the two plastic sheets. Okay, one is here. The other one is here. Okay, this time they went smoothly. And this is like this, and now we can also put this one. So what is this? Okay, it's like this. So this is the connector. Okay, it can go only in this position because it's polarized. Okay, then this little wire, put the connector back, here it goes. Okay, oh, so beautiful. Okay, kind of done. Okay, then this was here. Okay, this was the last piece, because this was the first I removed. I have the impression I have so many screws here and I didn't put any. Let's see. Okay, this goes here. Okay, the big screw, no, it's this one. Yes, it's the same. Okay, so I need an Allen key for this. No, this is too small. Maybe this one. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, done. Now let's try to close the other side. There is this little wire that catches here, so I have to put it in without breaking it. Okay. Again, like this. No, it doesn't go. So I try to push it in like this. Okay, now it looks better. Then I close it this way. And it doesn't close. You see, it doesn't close. It doesn't close. Why? Why it doesn't close? What's the problem? I see. The problem is that this connector here is a little bit misaligned with the case, so I have to move it a little bit like this. Let's try to do it also with this one. Okay. Okay, good. A little bit more. Okay. Now it's in place. So nobody moves anything now. And I put the screw here. Okay. Okay. Good.